Hey guys, Kevin Z here. Welcome to this Facebook Live broadcast. It's a Saturday night. It's raining here in Toronto, and I figured, we might as well stay in. And I wanted to share something really special with you guys that we've been working on for a really long time, and I actually couldn't even wait to do it. I want to share it with you tonight. So we're going to give everybody just a couple minutes to get on this live broadcast. And if you're new to Facebook Live, you can send reactions as you're watching this. You can click on little hearts, little faces, little thumbs up, things like that. It helps show me that you're watching it and you like what you see. And obviously, if there's any comments or questions, we'll try to get to it. But we're going to have a longer training session later this week. I just quickly wanted to share with you something really cool and exciting that I'm working on right now. So I'll get right into it because I know your time is important. Previously, when you were selling MyWiFi or you were selling anything to do with Wi-Fi, you have one of these devices. So this device is great. This device that came with you in the mail. It's the original 841 device. So you can use this to set up a demo for your client. That's what we're talking about. If you haven't guessed tonight, we're talking about live demos and how what I'm about to share with you is going to completely change the way you do live demos for MyWiFi. With that being said, you can still use this original 841 demo. What you do is you just need a power plug. You turn it on, you plug in your internet source into here. So if you're with a local business owner, you can either bring a portable modem like a hub in your bag, or you can go to their device or just their cable modem and say, hey, I'm just going to plug this into the cable modem. And what's good about this is that if you set it up and they like it, you can just leave it there. The device costs like 20, 30 bucks, so it really doesn't cost you anything. You can leave it there and set it up as a demo with the client. However, we had a lot of requests for people, wanting to do live demos in their pocket with 4G wireless. So we had a device, and we do have the TP-Link, the 3020 of the TP-Link. That requires you to use a USB stick. This is a USB modem. A lot of you might have this. I'm going to crack it open and actually show you. There's a little SIM card in here. All right, so you pop your SIM card in there. This is a, SIM card right put into there. The thing with this is you need a separate SIM card. So a lot of wireless companies will allow you to get a separate plan, but you do need a separate SIM card. You need a separate device in order to be able to plug in. So we said, a lot of people really want to get out there and sell. However, they don't necessarily have a compatible USB device, and they want to just show a client really how it works. And I just want to clarify before I get into this that 3G and 4G wireless speeds are not really meant for large-scale Wi-Fi sharing. So it's not something you're going to go to a local business and say, I'm going to have this 4G stick, it's going to run your whole location. It doesn't work like that. This is great for a local demo, so it's great to put just a few clients on board. You can probably get like 4 to 8 max on this, like no YouTube streaming heavily, but like at least people can demo it and see how it works. They can log in and use it. So we said, this is great. However, we're going to make things a little bit better. So if you saw the picture already, we have this brand new device. It is the MyWiFi Demo Mini, as we're calling it. It's a small device. It has some ports in the back. It has a USB over here, actually. It has a USB power source. It has a WAN. It has a LAN. It also has a USB conventional plug. So what I'm going to do is show you guys live right here on Facebook how I'm going to use this tiny little device to demo a social powered Wi-Fi network. So this is obviously your platform, our platform, but you're demoing it to your clients. You can use this. That literally, I'll just give you perspective. Look how it fits in the palm of my hand. It's really, really small. So I'm going to use this. I have this MyWiFi demo. I have just a small little power pack. You can buy these for like $5 or $10 at Walmart even. They're like little USB power sources. I have a USB plug. Okay, this is just a micro plug. So I'm just going to really go do this together. The power source that we have over here is USB. Okay, so it's just like the TP-Link, except it's a lot smaller. Same plugs and everything like that, but this allows you to do something extra special. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is plug in the power, the mini USB, and I'm going to plug this into the USB of my battery pack. You can see that lights up, and this over here, you'll see the little LED lights up. Okay, so that's the first thing I do. The second thing I need now is an internet source. So technically I could take this USB and I can plug it into here, into this USB thing, like so right into there, and this would provide the internet for this to work and for this to demo it to your clients. So that's what a lot of you currently do right now on the TP-Link 3020. You have the USB and you have the TP-Link one. This is the new version that we developed a firmware for. It took a very long time to do this and do it right. So this now allows you to tether an iPhone or an Android device to use it as the data. Okay, so check this out. So all I have is, this is my iPhone 6s Plus. Doesn't matter what iPhone you have, you can use any iPhone. It just needs to be one of the newer iOSs, I think iOS 8 or more. I have an iPhone plug. So this also works with Android. Okay, if I had an Android phone, I just need an Android plug. That's all I need for this. Okay, so I'm going to run through the steps very quickly on how to set up tethering. If you have to set up tethering, what we're going to do is take the data from this iPhone and serve it to the MyWiFi Mini and use this as the internet source. So I don't need a separate SIM card. I don't need one of these things. All I need is this, and chances are you have one of these in your pocket anyways. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on Settings. On your iPhone at least, you click on Settings. Let's try to get the view over here for you guys. There's a link over there called Personal Hotspot, okay? So I'm going to go to Personal Hotspot, okay? So what I do here is I'm going to enable it. It's going to ask me right on the screen if I want to use Wi-Fi or if I want to use Bluetooth and USB only. In this case, we're going to be connecting with USB. So it's not a personal hotspot where you're broadcasting the Wi-Fi signal from here. You actually want to have Wi-Fi disabled on your iPhone. What you're doing is using the USB to tether the data to this device, and this is going to be the device that broadcasts the social Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so all I do is I click on USB and Bluetooth USB only. Okay, I plug this in, same way you charge your phone. I take the other end, which is the USB, and I plug it right into the USB port of the demo device. Okay, so I do that. And you're going to see right away something happens on this device. It's going to recognize it. It's going to say, do you want to trust this device? Do you want to trust this thing that I just plugged into, this little mini? So I'm going to click on yes, I trust it. And you'll also notice a few seconds later, what it's going to do is start sharing the data. The light on this will start flashing, and you're going to see in a minute a blue bar will pop down on my phone that'll show that I'm now sharing this data directly. And not only that, so what I do is I set all this up. I'm all good. You'll see that bar come up in just a second. What I do is I set this up in my pocket, and I go to my local business owner, and I say, hey, local business owner, do you have your phone in your hand? And they say, yeah, of course I do. It's right here. And they can have an iPhone or an Android. They can have a tablet, a PC, a laptop, whatever they have. Okay, so over here, they just take their phone, and this is actually my wife's iPhone. I just borrowed it for this demo. And what I'm going to do is just go over here, and I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so right over here, I'll just go to the beginning. On your phone, you guys know this on the iPhone, I'm going to click on Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn Wi-Fi on. Okay, so I just enabled Wi-Fi. Again, this is the owner's phone over here in my right hand. This is my iPhone on my left-hand side. You're going to see this personal hotspot pop up in just a second. So here, you're going to see an SSID called iPhone 4G Demo. Okay, you guys see that over here? Right by my finger. This is being broadcasted by this tiny little device. So if you want to look at the setup, just to give you guys just the exact setup, how it all works, you see it? So we have the actual mini device. It's plugged in to a power source. So the power is powering this. And then we have the iPhone that's just plugged in directly. That's all it is. You can actually fit it all in your pocket. Little wires over here, but you can condense those to get shorter wires, okay? So what you do is over here, I'm going to click on the iPhone 4G demo, and as a local business owner, I can very quickly connect to the network. Let me just show you guys. Actually, I did that too fast. Let me just re-enable my, over here, I'm going to just re-enable my Bluetooth and USB. There you're going to see that personal hotspot. See that blue bar? That blue bar needs to be on before you do it. I rush it. I didn't wait for the blue bar to be on. Blue bar is on now, so you're going to see over here it's sharing one hotspot. You see it just right over there. So the personal hotspot, one connection. As you see here on the owner's phone, it automatically popped up as soon as I did that, as soon as it actually started sharing. Let me just get the glare off here. You can see what that says, guys. Can you see what that says? I'm trying to get the glare off. Anyways, this is the owner's phone. There we go. Can you guys read that? It's announcing the iPhone and Android tethering with the new MyWiFi demo devices. And this provides the owner over here right on the screen with the ability to log in with Facebook. Then what you do is really just set up an automation so the owner, when they connect with Facebook and they click yes, I agree, and connect off of the device, the wireless device that you're broadcasting right from your I'm still broadcasting. That's cool. I guess. Oh, Let me turn my screensaver off. That's funny. I was talking for too long here. Anyways, what I'm doing is broadcasting this from my pocket. Owner can log on. When the owner actually connects, the automation kicks in, and the owner then receives an email in real time, seeing like, do you discover, do you see the power of Wi-Fi hotspots? And obviously you can do whatever call to action, whatever your brand is. But that's what it is. So this little mini device, I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking, how can I get my hands on this little thing? Well, we're going to be sharing more about that this coming week. We're going to have a private training. We're going to make sure that you guys do get that. We are also going to be offering, I'm going to announce it right now, we're going to have a special contest going on for action takers. So here's the deal. If you are in the Wi-Fi group, and if you've already connected your device, so you've received this demo device in the mail, you've taken it, you've plugged it in, you've connected to it, that's great. All right? Anyone who's purchased this product or this program so far has this device, plug it in, turn it on. If you haven't already, it's not too late. You can always dust it off. Follow the instructions, support.mywifi.io. A lot of you are way ahead of that. You already have these, you're already scaling it, you're growing your business. That's great. But even if you've never done this before, you only qualify if you actually have this plugged in. Okay, that's number one. Number two, if you send me a video testimonial, so an actual video of yourself, just like I'm doing right here on my phone, on my computer. You can also use your phone, do like selfie style, and just record, 1 to 2 minute video telling me how you're growing your business. Tell me the deals you've closed. Tell me how the deal went. Tell me the amount of money you made on the deal. Tell me how you like using Wi-Fi so far and the opportunity you have in Wi-Fi. Start sharing your business model with us, high level, not the secrets you have, but share the excitement you have and the way you're growing it. What I'm going to do is that's going to show me that you're an action taker. We don't have too many of these. We are going to get more, in a few months, but we do have a bunch of these in the office right now. And I couldn't wait. I'm so excited. I really couldn't wait to share them with you. So I wanted to jump on this Saturday night and share it with you. But what I'm going to do is anyone who sends me a video testimonial showing me that you have a closed deal, for example, sharing more about your business, sharing how you've grown Wi-Fi, I'm going to send one of these to you absolutely free. You just have to pay for shipping, and I'm going to send this to you in the mail. You're going to get it. You're going to be able to plug it in exactly like I'm doing right now with my battery and my phone over here. It's really cool, and you can actually use it to connect to anything. I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab here too. Let's say that's what the client has in their location. They can just open it up, go to the Wi-Fi and connect to it. It's really awesome, and it is by far the best way to demo this to your clients because, this ain't too bad, but you do need one of these things. We've had a lot of problems with people trying to use different hardware. TP-Link limits, just to let you guys know with these, TP-Link limits the devices that they allow. So this Hawaii, you can see it over here, that works with it. We have a list of supported USB devices if you still want to go USB. However, our brand new mini devices right over here in my hand are going to allow you to plug in a portable power source and tether directly from your phone. You see that blue bar? I'm going to show it to you again. That blue bar at the top is sharing this data right here. So I'm walking down the street. I'm using this. It is literally broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal right from my pocket. So that being said, guys, thank you for joining me. I wanted to make this really brief. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Saturday night and the rest of your weekend. I'm going to look at the camera here. I've been looking a lot at the stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot more Facebook Live with you guys, so I'm going to be sharing a lot of cool strategies. Also, I should mention anyone who gets in early and gets one of these for free by sending me a video testimonial. You can submit that either to support at mywifi.io. You can also submit it in the intercom in the chat. In the bottom right, you can just chat with me and just find me and send that to me. That's actually the best way to send me it. Just send me a link to the YouTube video or post me an MP4 file or some kind of video. That's the best way to get to me. And then from there, I'm going to I'm going to invite you to a private Google Hangout. We're going to share that Google Hangout with everybody, so don't worry, everyone's going to be able to see this. However, you're going to be on that Google Hangout with me, and I'm going to be helping you and your business, and we're going to be sharing some cool strategies of how to use our brand new demo device, because you guys are going to get that early if you send me that video testimonial. You'll be having these in the wild, and I want to work with you directly to help refine the strategy for everybody so that everyone can take this device, go there, demo to the client in real time in their pocket. No additional data plan required. Just use the data from your iPhone or Android. This is a pure sales tool, guys. This is only to demo to your clients. This is not to set up a Wi-Fi network in and of itself. This is not to, set up a big restaurant. This is just to demo the client. And I'm going to give this to those who send a video testimonial for free. It will be available in the MyWiFi store for those of you who, let's say, are just getting your business off the ground, maybe don't have a client yet, are not ready with a video testimonial. Don't worry, we're going to be putting those in the store in a few months or down the road. We're trying to make it sooner than that. But we'll do our best to get it to you as soon as we can. You will be able to get it, but however, we are saving the very first ones for the action takers out there. So guys, on that note, thank you so much. Thank you for being a MyWiFi partner and client, and we look forward to helping you grow your business. Take care, guys, and have a great Saturday night. Bye-bye.